Hey everyone, I'm Natalie Fizet from thebiginternetmarketinggame.com. So today we're gonna talk about building your own funnel for free. I'm not gonna tell you everything about funnels because it's four small modules, but let's go. So in your free package, you got the checklist. So I highly advise that you print it. It's a PDF. If you don't have a PDF reader, Adobe PDF Reader is free. You just download it, do a Google search. And then you had the packages, the videos, which you're watching right now. So there's 5 modules. There's small modules, but I'll go from there. You got the free funnel access with templates, so you don't have to do any kind of coding, nothing. And last but not least, you've got the ebook, which is a Turbo Funnel ebook. So that's module one. We're creating a funnel is actually just a series of web page linked together. It's that simple. I know some people are charging $300 per month to sell you funnels, but it's actually just a web page that are linked together. And we're going to do a simple funnel. We're going to do opt-in. We're not going to do the one-time offer, but usually you have an offer and then the thank you page. So here we go. There's the funnel. So, by the way, what the link you're gonna have is not a free trial and all those gimmicks that you see on Google more and more. Like, okay, they write the word free in big, big letters, and then finally it's free trial or free for download, and then you have to pay. This is truly free. They're not gonna ask for your credit cards or nothing. And it's free for life. But the trick or the little fine prints that you don't see or you don't hear is that they give you a free, just like at the supermarket, just a little bite. And then you're going to see like all the other nice templates that they have, all the other products that they have, and they want you to sign in. I know I signed in. So I'm a platinum member of GrooveFunnel. I'm also an affiliate, so that's a disclosure. If you upgrade after seeing the free and you say, this is for me, I would get a commission, actually a good commission. And I've been getting commissions already because it's a product that sells very well because it's amazing. It's a platform that has everything. So back to our funnel. So it is completely free and you just create your user, and there's no credit card. So there's no credit card that you need to stop and freak out. They don't take your credit card. So first thing you're going to do is log into your account, and then you're going to be redirected. I'm sorry, my voice is squeaky. You're going to be redirected to a page that gives you all the instructions to join the Facebook group, which I highly recommend. Some people are like way advanced. Their questions is like, whew, but you don't need that. There's also a lot of people that create funnels. So if you dabble with the funnels, like I'm going to teach you, and you say, I hate it, there's people that sells funnels ready-made to your specifications, your colors, your images, and your text and everything. So if that's what you want, you're going to have plenty in that group. It's a huge group. It's growing daily. And you also have a link for all the training. You have to be careful. There's two kinds of videos. One is the weekly, where it's actually everybody and their brother trying to pitch you something and saying, I made money, look, I want to show you how to make money and give me $1,000. You don't want to look at those videos. You're going to waste your time, waste your money. I didn't say that. But actually, it's just that you're going to be sidetracked. Some products are okay, I guess, but you don't need that. If you're a newbie, you need to learn the basics, okay? And you have to know that GrooveFunnel is also just a web page builder. So if you want to build a regular website, you can do that with Groove also. Because like we said, a funnel is just web pages. So if you want to create web pages linked together, that's easy to do. So, like I said, no coding. It's very intuitive. It's like drag and drop. If ever you've already worked with WordPress, you're going to feel a certain familiarity. There's the blocks, the content, the elements. So it looks like it. So log into your account. And then you're going to go to access to GrooveFunnels by clicking on Groove Pages. I guess they were like not sure about the names because, you know, it just changes. So create your account if you haven't done so. There's the link. It's kind of a long link because it's a subdomain because they host your websites. You can always host it on your own domain, but if you want to use their free hosting, it's a cloud hosting, then you have the long domain name. But it's in your PDF, so you just click on the PDF because here it's letter B dot groovepages.com slash GrooveFunnels review slash. So it's kind of complicated. Just open your PDF and click on it. So next thing you're going to do is, like I said, click on Groove Pages, okay? Because if you click on GrooveFunnels, nothing happens. It's in development, so there's some things that are not quite there. You have to be patient about this, but it's free, so better than $300 a month. So since you have a free account, that's what I was saying. You're going to be limited. You're limited to 3 sites in total, and the templates you're going to see, you're going to be limited. They're going to show you the nice ones, all the ones at the bottom. There's a little word on the left side saying premium. That's for platinum member, like lifetime members. You could be a lifetime member. It's not a specific group or anything. It's not a closed group. Okay. If you, from what I heard on the forum and the Facebook group, is if you delete a site, then you're back to having 3 sites. So it's 3 sites total, but a site could be more than 1 page, of course. Like it could be a funnel, it could be a whole website with, I don't know how many pages maximum, but let's say 10, 20 pages. I don't know because I have the paying version, but it could be more than 1 page for sure. You also have, like I said, the number of limited templates, but any templates you can modify. So we don't need, like, I don't know, they're still creating every week. They have new templates, but you know, you could do all this. As you're going to see, there's blocks and there's elements, so you can recreate any kind of template that you want. So on the upper right hand side of your page, there's going to be a little pink box that says new site. That's what you're going to click on. You see my arrows. So it's going to look like that. So you're going to click on new site. By the way, are my arrows big enough to keep you on your toes? So then you can choose a blank template, but if you're like, we don't want a blank page of a panic or whatever, so we're going to use a template for now, and you can modify it, like I said, all the colors, all the fonts, anything, add images, add videos, or you can start with a blank template, and then you can drag and drop the blocks and recreate a funnel from there. Like I was saying about the premium, we already covered that. So we will, so I selected randomly the guy that has his arms crossed. If you see that one, that's the one I'm going to work with. I love my funnel when it turns like that. So like I said, the one with the man pointing at the opt-in form, you can choose another one if you want. They can all be modified. And it doesn't have to have an opt-in form because you can always add one. It's in the elements, so you actually don't need, like I was saying, like you could start from scratch and build anything. But if you like the template, you have less modifying to do, like it's a couple of clicks. As we were saying, you can only create 3 sites, and if you ever upgrade, it's unlimited sites. But at one point, I don't know, that's a lot of sites. So a new window is going to open with your template, and now you're editing that template. So scroll down and look at the template, see what elements are in there. Sometimes there's like 3 elements on one block, and sometimes there's 2. As you can see, there's images that you can put, there's text, there's header text, bigger text, and see, scroll all the way down. There's a header, there's a footer. So a page, basically, I might say stupid things, but that's okay. We're beginners, but yeah. I'm more intermediate, but that's okay. So blocks is like the levels in your house. So let's say you have a 3-story house. Um, in let's say the main floor, you have the kitchen and the living room. That's a block. And then on the second floor, if you have 3 bedrooms and 1 bath, that's 4. Uh, I'm looking for a word here. 4 components in 1 block. Okay, let's say it like that. Okay, or 4 rows if you want. So there's layouts. So that's what I was looking for. Layouts in different room. Okay. So now you can start clicking on the different element and you're going to see like it's containers and there's big containers and it's the blocks are like from left to right. If you want it like that's on your page, that's a block. Some blocks are thin, some blocks are thick. It depends how you fill them. Okay. Um, Click on different elements, play with your mouse, and then pay attention on the right. There's a nav bar that's opening. You're gonna see the title is the name of the element. So you're gonna see, oh, I'm in a block here, so I'm really editing the whole row, like the whole block completely, or oh, I'm in the image, so I'm editing the image. Because sometimes you'll change a background and you'll go, that's not what I wanted to do. It's because you're in the sub container and you're just changing. Sometimes you're just changing the color behind the letters. So you always have to look what you're editing and play with it, and you're going to get a feeling of what's happening. Okay, we did that, we did that. And, okay. So in the blocks, you cannot put like an image in a block because it would be loose in the block. So just like when you're moving, you cannot shove all your clothes and then your dishes in the truck and then loose and everything. Everything's gonna break. So you have to have containers. Okay. So same thing with that. In that's the word I was looking for is containers. So you're gonna have containers that you're gonna drag and drop and then or when you choose a block it could be already separated in 2 containers or 3 containers. You're going to see that when you click on blocks you're going to see there's different layouts. So you need the containers and then you can put an image in the container, then you can put the text in the container, and that's what you're going to do, drag and drop. Okay. These are the moving boxes. So if you're ready, we're gonna modify the header first. I don't like the header, it's black and it's kind of depressing. You could do one thing, you can click on the garbage can. If you click on header and then up there, you're gonna see a garbage can and then just remove it completely. Or you can change the color, okay? In this example, we're gonna change the color. So again, if you click on the header, you're gonna see and you look at the title here and then there's a little, and it's called background because we're changing the color of the background, and that box was black. I clicked on it and I selected kind of a pinkish color. So play with it and see what happens, and then you kind of know what elements are changing. So for now, that's going to be the end of module 1. Again, if you want to become a platinum member, I know the prices is going to change September 1st, 2020. They're saying it's going to increase a bit, but it's still like, if you look at it, it has email responder, it has webinar hosting, it has membership. The guys are going crazy. They're building like a huge platform. So it is going to have everything somebody, people that do digital marketing is going to need. And instead of paying, because email marketing, I was shocked. I did some digital marketing 20 years ago, and it used to be like $100 per year. Now it's they have a slider how many subscribers you have, and then it could be like, you know, $300 a month just for the email, and then the other things, it's all like a webinar is not free anymore. It used to be all free. So that's good because you pay one time and you get lifetime access. And with the Platinum, what's exciting is that they also give you lifetime access to all their future products. And like I said, they're like, they're having fun. They're developing all kinds of stuff, and you get to benefit from it. So you have again in your documents, and you're going to have those slides. I'm going to put them as a PDF. You're going to have those slides so you can click on the link in the image that you saw with the infinity symbol. And once you're done creating your funnel, and don't worry, this was just module 1, so we were just doing the beginning of the opt-in form. We were just looking at actually browsing the window more. So once you're done, just click on my Facebook page, The Big Internet Marketing Game, and .com, and send me the link to your funnel. I want to see it, and I want to be happy. So thank you, and I will see you in the next module.